Hi, I'm Wendy from Lane & High, and today I'm going to show you how to apply veneer edge banding to plywood. Plywood is a great material to use in building furniture. It is sturdy, it is inexpensive, but the edges aren't all that pretty. So last summer when my daughter was going to college, I built her, it was her first college apartment, so I built her an entertainment center for the TV to sit on. And the whole front of it needed that veneer edge banding because it was all those plywood edges. So I used 3/4 inch plywood to build the entertainment center. So I needed to order 3/4 inch plywood veneer, or 3/4 inch veneer edge banding to cover that up. I ordered them from Amazon. It's super easy. I will link to it in the description box. And here is how I applied the edge banding to the furniture. Okay, so you need to cut your edge banding to the correct length and warm your iron up to medium-high temperature, and then just slowly go across the edge banding. What you want to do is warm up the glue, soften it up so it kind of activates and sticks to that plywood, and then just keep going over it each section about 15 to 20 seconds so it's nice, so it adheres nicely. Okay, so once you have your edge banding applied, let it cool so the glue hardens back up. And you're gonna notice that the 3/4 inch edge banding is slightly bigger than the 3/4 inch plywood. I think they give you a little extra just to kind of calculate for any mistakes. So what you need to do is you need to take a file and scrape off the excess from the entertainment center. And here's how you do that. It's really easy. It sounds harder than it is, trust me. Now you need to take a file, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it at an angle and push away from the edge banding. If you pull towards the edge banding, you're gonna pull the edge banding off of your furniture. So you wanna push away, go at it at an angle. You might have to go over it with a little bit of sandpaper so it's nice and smooth. So I hope that you build something with plywood and give this method a try with the veneer edge banding. It's really easy. You can finish off a piece of furniture really beautifully. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any DIYs. And before I let you go, I'm going to show you the finished entertainment center just so you can see the whole thing done.